Joseph, you're such a big boy. You're 5 months and 1 week. Yeah. Yeah.
And he's sitting up.
Sitting up pretty good on your own. Little support though. Looking out the window like a big boy. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Joseph. Joseph. What are you looking at? Oh, you're a big drooler. Joseph. Are you talking? You want the camera?
Whoa, friendly.
Oopsie daisy. We love you, Joseph. You look so cute in Uncle Brad and Aunt Wendy's outfit they got you for Christmas. What are the outfits?